Earlier today, blockchain-enabled financial services firm NANT Global Finance announced that the creation of a fully integrated capital markets platform combining U.S. broker capabilities, exchange operations, transfer agency services, and blockchain technology. NANT adds that the move is bolstered by a number of strategic acquisitions. Well, joining us now with more is NANT Global Finance CEO Mark Alenowitz. Mark, good morning.
Thank you for having me.
It's great to have you on the show this morning, and congratulations on this news.
Thank you very much. We're very excited.
What more can you share about it?
Well, NANT is a convergence of several regulated entities that have come together to create a more efficient capital markets. We're not trying to replace markets, we're trying to make it better using modern technology. And what's so unique about NANT is that it's a convergence, as I mentioned, of many different firms. So we have leaders in the industry that have focused on creating pioneering new ways to raise capital using the Jobs Act. We have Dr. Patrick Soon-Shiong, who is the head and owner of the LA Times, as well as the creator of numerous, in fact, over 65 patents have come into this company around blockchain. We have Equity Stock Transfer, which is transfer agent services. We have Brian Collins, who comes from blockchain software technology services, operating a global stock exchange. And all of this comes together to create what we think will be the next market for efficiency and more security in a modern way.
We've seen a lot of press around Project Crypto. What is different about this?
Well, Project Crypto is what we've been seeing where President Trump, as well as the SEC, has gotten behind creating a new modern market in blockchain, cryptocurrency, and other areas of creating more efficiency. What we're focusing on, though, is securities. And what I mean by securities is actual securities that trade on the New York and NASDAQ. We intend to allow those to become digital securities, allowing everyday people to be able to buy traditional securities using blockchain type investment opportunities like Bitcoin and Ethereum and USDC and USDT. So this modernization is really for the capital markets. Here at the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, we think the future is going to be quite exciting.
The SEC recently approved DTC for digital securities. How does that fit in to new activities?
Well, our focus is taking, as I said, national market securities. These are securities that trade on national exchanges that are called covered securities. A lot of the other groups that are out there and a lot of what people have been talking about are stable coins or meme coins or what we call mirror coins. What we're looking at is actual traditional securities and being able to allow an investor to buy digitally on the blockchain and then be able to transfer those securities right back to NASDAQ or the NYSE and to be able to trade them back and forth, giving investors better transparency, better market data, and most importantly, none of the manipulations that we see in capital markets. So again, we're not trying to change the markets, we're just trying to make it more efficient using technology.
What is next?
Well, the next step is, of course, we've got to get regulatory approval. We're working through the SEC and FINRA in order to have this come to fruition. We hope, if all goes well, will be sometime in Q2. And we're looking to continue, but the operations as it stands now, we have trading, we have transfer agent services, shareholder services, and today is the beginning of what we think is the future of capital markets.
Anything more our viewers should know, Mark?
Stay tuned, and we look forward to seeing the world change.
All right, Mark Alenowitz, he is here in studio with me, Global Finance, NANT Global Finance CEO. Mark, thanks again for joining.
Thank you for having me.